this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and this is little Miss Lady right here. She's one of my little dogs. I have 3 dogs, and Max, you want to come up here? Come here, Max. See if he'll show his little head. This is Max. He's been with us for a very long time, so he's pretty old. And Lady is the youngest in the family. She's scared of the fire, so that's one reason why she's holding on to me so tight. She's just staring at me. Okay, so today's video, I want to do a Crochet Society unboxing. So let's just take a look. If I can get Lady to lay down in my lap. Can you lay down, Lady? Can you lay down for Mama? Okay. If you hear the little feet on the hardwood floors, that's Max. Okay, so yes, here's my Crochet Society box. I'm so tickled over this. This is my second box, and so yeah, let's just take a look at inside. Here comes Abby. We have another dog coming up here. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside. And it says, look for the silver lining. This is a Bella Coco Society. Let me look at the top. Yeah, it's by Bella Coco Crochet. And uh-oh, I hear some growling among the dogs. I think everybody's fighting for my attention. Okay, so let's just take a look inside and see what we got. Lady, you're gonna have to lay down, sweetie. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand because Lady, she's just really scared of the fire. Last time I did a video in front here, she laid down on my lap and went to sleep. So maybe I can lay this pillow. Isn't this a cool pillow? Lady, maybe you can lay down on this pillow right here. See Mama laid a pillow down for you? Here, see, it says love. She's like, no, but Max is like, I want it. I'll take the pillow. Okay. Ooh, looky here. Look at this book. My Crochet Year. I like this. Let's see what we got in this book. Sorry if I'm distracted. Oh, looky there. It's got like some grid lines. I like that. And it has a place to put a date. And it even has that kind where you can write things down. I love this. This is awesome. Oh, it even looks like there's some mini challenges. Like, take a look at your crafting space. What's one small thing you can do to make it better? That's cool. See at the bottom? Some little mini challenges. Thank you, Bella Coco. I like that. Very nice. Yeah, this is probably the one thing that I get all excited about whenever I know that this is coming. Ooh, some nice colorful yarn. Look at there, plenty of stuffing. There's gonna be some amigurumi in here. Ooh, and look at the yarn. There are 6 skeins of yarn. Looks like we got these 3 shades of blue right here. It says Confection DK Bella Coco Crochet, 100% acrylic. It says Sugar Mouse, Blueberry, and Elderberry. So there's our 3 of the colors. Let's see. Okay, then here's 3 more colors, and those are more like winter type colors, and these are more like your spring colors. And they are the same thing, 100% acrylic. This is called Lemon Drop, Candy Floss, and Ice Pop. I like those names. All right, let's see what kind of cool stuff we have in the bottom of our box. All right, we got exclusive video tutorial passcode. Put that right there. And then it says crochet pin badge. That's cool. I wonder if that's a hint to our amigurumi. And this may be a hint, our stitch marker. Hold on a second, guys. There we go. Cool. And what you want to bet? We either have buttons or eyes in this thing. Eyes. So we got eyes in the little packet. 2 eyes. Look for the silver lining, and there's a conversion chart. Very nice. We always need that. Ooh, looks like we have some stickers. 1, 2, 3 pages. Looky there, guys. Oh, I love stickers. Yes, I like it. And you don't come across stickers that actually have crochet stuff on them. I mean, this is cool. Crochet all the way. I really appreciate that. Crochet all day. Yeah, I like that because, I mean, I don't know if I've ever seen crochet stickers before. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, our hook. Looks like we're going to be using a 3.75 millimeter hook. Isn't it beautiful? Mm-hmm. All right, so our book. Oh my gosh, isn't this girl beautiful? Look at that. She is gorgeous. Let's see what we have. Oh, and of course, there's Bella Coco. Isn't she beautiful? Let's see if it... Okay, so it looks like we're going to make an Estelle shrug, a over the rainbow cushion cover for pillow, and a Clarence the Cloud. This sweet little chap is sure to make you smile. And of course, I'll be making that for my grandson to be. And there's the pillow, and there's the shrug. This is a nice little book that this comes with. I like these. And it tells you about tea and chat, what's in the box, yarn ideas, things that are especially for you, behind the scenes. That's going to be cool to read. You and your makes. So let's see who the designer is, page 6. Natalie McHayle. Ooh, hey Natalie, looky there. So Natalie is our designer. Says this month we're chatting to Natalie of Talia's Crochet Creations about her love of crochet. Good for you, girl. When I saw the colors of this box, I knew I wanted to create something lacy to complement the softness of the colors. That's what she said. And it just has like where they ask her questions and she answers them. I love this, Bella Coco. I mean, to be able to read all about the designer of the patterns and stuff, this is really nice. There's that shrug up close. And let's see. And there she is again. I'm trying to not do the pattern. Yeah. Let's see what we have. What other pattern we got in here? Ooh, here's our seat cushion pattern. Look at that. Very beautiful. And it's got, I guess that's a rainbow in that. Yeah, over the rainbow cushion. That's a rainbow in there. There it is up close. Ooh, there's the back side of the pillow. Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Especially for you. There's Clarence the Cloud. There he is. See if you can see it. Yeah. All right. Well, that is my Crochet Society unboxing. And once again, I am very pleased. I love receiving this. I'm thinking I think it comes from the UK. And I'm thinking I pay, with tax and everything, I think shipping is included. It might cost me like $45 or something. I'm not sure exactly, but this is my favorite monthly box so far because it has my love of amigurumi and it has my love of wearables, and you know, like having a pillow cover. It even has my love of home decor. So I mean, you can't beat that, and you get a hook So yes, I'm very happy. I look forward to this every month, and it's just amazing. So it's just my favorite box. I don't know how else to show my enthusiasm and my excitement over this, but it is. It's the best thing that I have come across in all of my monthly subscriptions. So, okay, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed that, and go check her out. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.